Safeguard your Windows 11 experience by learning how to create a vital system restore point. First, let's access the System Restore functionality. Click on the Windows search bar, typically found at the bottom of your screen in the search box. Type Create a Restore Point and select the matching result from the suggestions that appear. This will open the System Properties window. Specifically on the System Protection tab here, you'll see a list of your drives. The crucial step is to locate the drive that has System Protection turned on. Usually, this is your C drive, which is where Windows is installed. To create a new restore point, click on the Create button. It's usually located in the lower left portion of the System Protection tab. A new dialog box will appear, prompting you to type a description for this restore point. It's highly recommended to be descriptive here. For example, you could type something like before installing new software or after a successful update. Once you've entered your description, click Create. Windows will now begin the process of creating your restore point. This might take a few moments, depending on your system speed and the amount of data being backed up. You'll see a confirmation message when the restore point has been successfully created. Click Close to exit this dialog box. Your restore point is now ready. You can see it listed under the available restore points. If you ever encounter any issues with your Windows 11 system, you can return to this window and use the System Restore button to revert your computer to this specific point in time, helping you resolve problems without losing your personal files.